Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Thank you for joining me today for a refrigerator deep clean. We've been in this house a little over a year and I've never taken everything out and really given it a good scrub, so it was long overdue. Before we get into it, please give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Click the red subscribe button below. I do have an upload schedule. Finally, I will be posting a video every Friday and Sunday. I may throw in bonus videos other days of the week here and there, so make sure you click the notification bell next to the subscribe button so you never miss an upload. Now let's get into it. Now that I have my breakfast crumbs wiped off the island, I'm just removing everything from the refrigerator. I have a question. How often do you guys really deep clean your fridge? I feel like I let it go a little too long, but it's just something that's easy to neglect. So let me know how often you guys tackle this project. Now that everything's been removed, I'm just doing a quick once over. I don't know if it's translating well, but boy, was it dirty. I thought the best way to start would be to use some really hot soapy water just to get out some of the crumbs and debris. So that's what I'm starting with now, and I'm just using the Mrs. Meyer's dish soap.
Love should be easy, why should it not? When all you want is to be loved, is to be loved. But love ain't easy, you taught me that. I let you in, now you want out, now you want out. I don't understand why you hurt me. I don't understand why you wanna let me down. Can't understand, was it all worth it? You play me good just for a rush, just for a rush. So now I wrote a song about us, with tears running down my face. Now I wrote a song about us, just trying to fill that empty space you left behind. You left behind, you left behind. You left behind. You left behind, you left behind. Can someone help me to find love again? 'Cause all I want is to be loved, is to be loved. Can someone free me from all my doubts? Feels like a prison, I want out, now I want out. I don't understand why you hurt me. I don't understand why you wanna let me down. Can't understand, was it all worth it? You play me good just for a rush,
had to laugh at myself. Look at this horrible face I'm making, but it was so gross, y'all.
I wrote a song about us, just trying to fill that empty space you left behind. You left behind, you left behind, you left behind. You left behind, you left behind. So now I wrote a song about us, with tears running down my face. Now I wrote a song about us.
I was able to handle most of the inside just by wiping it down, but these drawers had to come out. There were so many things stuck along the edges and corners. I tried to give you a shot of it here. If you look at the top, how everything was just stuck along the inside. So they definitely needed to be hand washed.
You left behind. We get down to the beat, y'all. We get down, down to the beat, y'all. We get down to the beat, y'all.
It's like we're not going anywhere. Maybe it's because there's something in the air. And I don't even care. No, no, I don't even care anymore. It's like we're losing all track of time. I just got one thing on my mind. Baby, one day I'm hoping that you will be mine. Turn my life around. Wow. So where do we go when everything feels like it just stays the same? Where do we go from here when everything is said and done? This is what we do.
We get down to the beat, y'all. We get down, down to the beat, y'all.
Let's get down.
We get down to the beat, y'all.
Yeah, it's like I'm stuck in this misty cloud, waiting for something I can't get out. And I don't even care. No, no, I don't even care anymore. It's like we're losing all track of time. I just got one thing on my mind.
Baby, one day I'm hoping that you will be mine. Turn my life around. Wow.
Yeah. Where do we go when everything feels like it just stays the same? Where do we go from here when everything...
A good song had come on, so of course I had to have my little dance break. I'm telling y'all, good music makes any chore so much better.
stays the same? Where do we go from here when everything is said and done? We're starting all over.
Today I was using the Caldrea Countertop Spray in the Sea Salt Neroli for everything. It's a countertop spray, but it works great as a multi-surface cleaner in my opinion. But I did want to go back over the refrigerator with that only because the dish soap did a great job of getting out everything that was loose, but there was still some sticky places as well as some fingerprints that I'd never even noticed before, and I think it's from when the installers had delivered the fridge. Again, this should have happened a very long time ago, but the Caldrea worked good to finish up anything that was left. And now here's the inside all clean. It feels so good to have this done. As I was putting everything back, I just tried to double check to make sure nothing had expired, and I tried to position things where I could see, especially in the door, just to make sure we didn't buy any duplicates. Now I'm just taking care of everything that fell on the floor while I was cleaning, and I feel like I vacuum a million times a day. Do you guys feel that way? I mean, it's totally fine because I love to do it, but it's like there's always something, either from a mess I've created, cleaning something else, or just from day-to-day traffic. Moving on to the freezer, the bottom was very dirty as well, so I'm just taking everything out. In just a second, you'll see how bad it was. I was able to get a lot of it with my vacuum, however, there were many things stuck to the bottom, so I just used my Caldrea for that as well. I just wanted to jump on here and say, I know that we all live very different lifestyles. Some of you have children, and we all have different things going on with careers, or some of you are stay-at-home moms. So I realize that my version of dirty and disaster and messy might be totally different, but it's just me and my husband. So when things are like this, for me, I consider it pretty bad.
You blow my mind. I don't know if you know yet. I've tried some time, and I'm dying to tell you. You blow my mind. I don't know if you know yet. I've realized, and I'm dying to tell you.
Now I'm just going to finish off with the Inda stainless steel cleaner that I love so much. I hope this video gave you guys some motivation to tackle any space that needs it. It always feels so good once it's done. Again, don't forget to subscribe. Just click the red button below. Make sure to click the notification bell so you don't miss any uploads. And I appreciate you guys spending time with me as always, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourselves. Bye.